Hello, what I am cooking today? Rice pilaf with mushrooms and peas. I hope you are watching this in a good mood. If not, for improving your mood or for some other times when you are not feeling your best, make yourself a treat, just like this one. I will give you the recipe in a minute. Go for a walk, journal your feelings, chat with someone, cuddle your pet, do something for someone else, get ready and put on your favorite lipstick, or just get some exercise done. Your mood will improve, you'll see it, you'll feel way better. And now, what I did here, I did put some little bit olive oil and butter in the pot, added chopped mushrooms and peas, cooked a little bit together, and did 2 cups of good quality washed rice. What does mean good quality rice? Basmati or baldo, as I always say. Added little bit dill, allspice and black pepper must, and added 2 cups of room temperature water. Cover the pot, cooked around 15 minutes, and rest around 7 to 10 minutes and ready to eat. You can serve with any kind of red meat, chicken or turkey. As seen here, today I am eating this with turkey saute and a little bit rice. Yum yum yum. This is one of the best rice pilaf recipe. If you try this, you will not regret it. One of the best. Rice pilaf with mushrooms and peas. Very delicious. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Bon appétit! See you next video. Bye bye.